So, when the white light falls on the triangle glass prism, it's analyzed into 7 spectrum colors, which are constant in speed, fixed in speed, and different in wavelength, frequency, and angle of deviation. So, these colors, these 7 spectrum colors, are constant in speed, or the velocity, similar in speed, and different in wavelength, frequency, angle of deviation. So, when we start with the red is lowest deviation and the frequency. So, it's lowest deviation and lowest in the frequency. Again, lowest deviation and lowest frequency and longest wavelength. So, the deviation and the frequency direct as the similar in the value, as it both of them lowest in the red color. So again, the red color is lowest deviation and lowest frequency, and in opposite, longest wavelength. And the last color, as a violet, is highest deviation, highest frequency, shortest wavelength. Again, the red is very good. Lowest deviation, lowest deviation, lowest frequency, and longest wavelength. And the violet is highest deviation, highest frequency, shortest wavelength. And now, the energy of the light waves by the German scientist Max Planck. Max Planck proved that the energy of the light waves is composed of the energy quantity that known as photon. So, the energy of the light is a photons. The energy of the photon is directly proportional to the frequency. So, it's direct with the frequency with the energy